Hello everyone. We, the students of Amity Law School, Kolkata, have brought to you this literacy awareness drive, Making India Great Again. Through the series of videos, we would bring to you the hurdles people of the various sectors of society face in their daily lives. Literacy is not just about people knowing their own rights, but also others in the society knowing and accepting their rights. We know that every right comes with a corresponding duty. This is needed to maintain a balance in the society because if I am aware of my rights and duties and the other person isn't, it may so happen that after having knowledge of the same, my rights would get infringed due to the ignorance of the others. Now, say for an instance, I am an engineer and I am well rehearsed with the nitty gritties of my vocation, but at the same time, I might not be well informed about the duties I owe to the others. Through this initiative, we want to make the society as a whole aware of their duties towards the marginalized classes. This awareness program is a collective effort by the students of BBA LLB of Amity Law School, Kolkata. The contributors to this initiative include Ankit Chaturvedi, Shreya Srivastava, Saptak Majumdar, Aditi Rajeshwari Singh, Fakra Tanaz Akhtar, Tanvi Shri, Iftizam Rahman, and Torshamin Bahar. The government of India and various state governments time and again has tried to eradicate illiteracy from the marginalized sectors and tried to spread awareness for the same. Some of them being the National Literacy Mission of 1988, the Kerala State Literacy Mission, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and recently launched new national education policy. The National Literacy Mission was launched in the year 1988. The target group was age 15 to 35 years and was aimed for one's overall educational development and awareness about the society. The Kerala State Literacy Mission Authority, an autonomous institution under the General Education Department of the Government of Kerala, was set up in 1988 for the purpose of coordinating and activating the literacy and continuing education program. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, or we can say Education for All movement by the Government of India, initiated by the late Prime Minister Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The scheme was to provide quality education for all children at the elementary level between the age group of 6 to 14 years, including the children with disabilities, and also cover all out of the school children in the state as a whole. The Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is one of the most remarkable campaigns of the Government of India aimed at the implementation of welfare schemes and promote awareness for the girl child, preventing foeticide and sex discrimination and ensure safety of girls as its main objective. The most recent endeavor of the Government of India was launching the new National Education Policy, which is meant to provide an overreaching vision and comprehensive framework for both school and higher education all across the country. With the approval of the new education policy, India is all set to witness a very needed reformation in education. One of the focuses of the educational requirement is the learning at present and preparing students for a future. For that, they get a shape. The upcoming videos will majorly focused on four sectors of the society, that is the farming sector, the transgenders, the daily wage earners, and the pavement dwellers. The focus in all those videos would be to bring the audience the realities faced by them and proposing solutions to how the same can be eradicated. For agricultural sector, the farmers with the least resources are capriced by the moneylenders. Have you ever wondered why, in spite of the government having proposed so many schemes for farmers' welfare, they still find themselves struggling for the living? The simple reason is the lack of literacy and of awareness. Again, when we look at the segment comprising of pavement dwellers, it is very shocking to note that out of the total 15% population of illiterates in the urban society, the pavement dwellers constitute the majority of 73% of it. which is a rate too high. Illiteracy has caused them to live on the perils of abuse by the police and civic bodies and so on, and in their fight for their bare subsistence. Another section of society to which our research was focused was on the transgenders. The problem for them are two-faced: illiteracy on the one side and social stigmatization on the other. Upliftment or advancement, whatever one may call it, in this segment would not just be an outcome of an illiteracy program that it is aimed to exclude from them or benefit them. It has to be a drive which would help and encourage the society as a whole to acknowledge and accept them as a part and parcel of the society. The fourth and the last sector to which our research extends is the class of laborers or the daily wage earners. This research, similar to that of the farmers, subjected to massive oppression not just from the unorganized moneylenders but also from the employers, and all of this is a result of lack of awareness towards the scheme that the government proposed toward them for the benefit of them. Thank you for watching our video. Your feedback is what we look up to. Please subscribe our channel to get notified for our upcoming videos. Share it with your friends and family. This would help us to reach more and more people. Thank you.